Hello and welcome to the explanation of our We Buy Minnesota Houses cash offer program. We're a local real estate investment company that has been helping local Twin Cities homeowners sell their house for cash in as little as 9 days with no closing costs, commissions, or fees. We'll even buy the house in any condition, even if it needs a lot of repairs or is vacant. Now in a moment, I'll briefly describe our cash offer program, so you can decide if this could be a fit for you and your financial situation. Before we start, we'd like to mention our service to you is absolutely free. In our experience of working with homeowners, one thing that they underestimate is how much it actually costs to be able to sell their home. To be able to sell the typical single-family home is going to cost anywhere from 8 to 12%. From closing costs, to real estate commissions, to repairs. We can purchase your home for cash and save you on all those expenses. In an effort to get you, as a homeowner, as much money as possible, there's 3 things that we evaluate when we're taking a look at a home. The first thing that we evaluate is the current condition of the home. That can range from a home that is in complete disrepair to a home that is move-in ready. The second thing that we evaluate is the neighborhood and the surrounding market. The third thing that we evaluate is, what is it that the homeowner is trying to be able to accomplish by selling the home? That can range from major repairs that you don't have the time and money to fix, to a divorce, to job transfer, a retirement, or maybe you inherited a property that you just want to sell. Or maybe you want to sell your house to better your financial situation. We can give you a no-obligation cash offer in 24 hours. At the end of the day, we understand that selling your home is one of the biggest financial decisions that you will make. We're here to be able to give you another option in your decision-making process as you decide what's the best way to sell your home. It's our goal with our We Buy Minnesota Houses cash offer program to put as much money in your pocket as possible. To get started with our cash offer program, simply leave your name, phone number, and property address slowly at the end of this recording. You probably still have some questions about our program, and we look forward to speaking with you in order to get them answered to your satisfaction. We will take every measure to ensure you're comfortable and excited to move forward with our program. Please leave your full name, best phone number, and the address of the property you're inquiring about at the end of this recording to get started. We look forward to meeting you and working together to buy your house in as little as 9 days with no closing costs, commissions, or fees. We'll even buy the house in any condition, even if it needs a lot of repairs or is vacant. Remember, there's no obligation and our service is absolutely free. So what do you really have to lose by just inquiring about our services? Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to leave your information at the end of this recording. We look forward to helping you out. Bye for now.